Hello, Del Val. My name is Allie McHugh from TV Media, and from looking around at the signs around the school, I've noticed that this week is Allie Week. So I don't know what I've done to deserve this great honor, but I just wanted to thank all of you for taking this entire week to celebrate me. Follow me and we'll look at some of the signs. Be an Allie, be the change. Well, I don't need to change because I already am an Allie. Stressed out, anxious, keep calm and be an Allie. I already am. Be a better Allie? How can I do that? I already am Allie. I can't get any better than this. Allie Week, the whole week, I'm so honored. I'm an Allie. That's so true. I am. And good thing, too, right?
It's not Ally Week, it's Ally Week. It's a week dedicated to those who support the LGBT movement.
Even better.